YouTube, this is motor test of the week again. This week I'm going to be testing another GoolRC in-runner motor, and this one is a 3674 and it's 2650 2650 kV 4-pole brushless in-runner. They're meant for 1/8 RC trucks, but I'm into planes, so I like putting them in planes. And yeah, this one seems pretty decent. It's the same as the other 3800 kV one I've done, but slightly bigger, and it can take more power. Yeah, it's you do have a strange bolt pattern though. Must be for RC trucks, as you can see there. So may have to do some sort of customizing for motor mounts and things like that. And yeah, they're pretty decent. They have a 5mm shaft, come with connectors already on, and yeah, I think they're pretty decent motors. You can see the back there, and that's that. Right, so let's go down, look at the specs. I got mine off of eBay a little while ago, before they seem to stop doing a lot of them on eBay, which is annoying. But this one, I'm just looked it up and it's on Amazon, but it's currently unavailable. But the specs are 2650 kV. It's rated up to 50,000 RPM. It can apparently take 1800 watts and a max of 100 amps. It says max voltage is 18.4 volts, so that would probably be what the voltage drop would be on a 5-cell. But yeah, I'm going to see possibly if it will run on 6-cell with a nice small prop, so nice high RPM, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, like I said, it's got a 5mm shaft. Total weight is 289 grams of the motor, so it is a bit heavy, but it's not bad, I think. So yeah, let's give this one a test. Stick it on the thrust stand and see what sort of props I can run it. Right, here we are. I have no idea what sort of size prop to start off with, but the first test is going to be on 4-cell. So first prop I'm going to try is a 6x5.5 APC electric prop, and I'm using a Zippy 2700 milliamp 60C 4-cell. So yeah, going to run 4-cell first. ESC, I've just plugged it into one of my 200 amp red brick ESCs, and using a little battery for powering the speaker, the receiver. Right, so let's see what we get here. Blimey. Ooh, that's a bit over. 112.5 amps. Yeah, motor's fine. That seems alright. Right, so that's not bad. It's a little bit over amps, but it is on the. I'm running 4-cell. You can sometimes go a little bit over when the voltage is down. So yeah, that seems right. Let's try a different prop. Okay, I'm going to try a TGS 6x5, still on the 4-cell, and just need to re-zero the scales. There we go. Not big head in the way. Yeah, move over a bit. Oh my god. That's the most thrust I've ever got out of one of those props. It's within specs. That is the most thrust I've ever put through one of those. Blimey, I was a bit scared then. Right, let's see what else we got. Okay, now I'm using a Aeronaut Cam carbon prop. It is 6x5. Still on 4-cell. Bit more on the APC, but not as much as the TGS. Oh, it's drawing a lot of current as well. 110 amps, 1546 watts. Yeah, still no temperature in there. Still good. Alright, I was going to try 6x6, but I think that would be too much for it. So I've got a 5.5 by 5.5, so I could try that. Okay, this is a GemFan 5.5 by 5.5 high speed prop. Still on 4-cell. I didn't bother topping it up with this one though. Last test on 4-cell. Ooh, sounded like the prop was warping a bit then. So loud, those props, it's unbelievable. It's drawing the same as the 6x5 Aeronaut. Blimey. Yeah. Well, slight. I can feel a little bit of warmth. Yeah, that's not sure about that prop. Right, so let's move on to the 5-cell test. Okay, here we are. First prop I'm going to try on a 5-cell is a 5x5 TGS prop. We're into danger territory now, so I've got my fiberglass blast shield on, and the battery is a 2650 milliamp 45C 5-cell. So I think this should be alright. Wowzers! That prop was struggling then. I think that was starting to warp a bit. Oh my god! That is some RPM. Ooh, we're right on the limits there. I think that might be the only prop I try on 5-cell. 105.75 amps, 1722 watts. But that was going some, wasn't it? Blimey. Motor's still not warm. So let's give that another run. Let's hope that prop doesn't snap. Yeah, you can hear that prop it's starting to warp. Not surprised really. 2 kilos of thrust for a 5-inch prop. My God. That's better. There you go. So 107 amps and 1800 watts. So I think that's probably the only prop I would want to try on 5-cell. Yeah. There's no holes on this one to see what the temperature is, so let's get an ambient temperature reading. It is 22 degrees there, so the outer casing of the motor is 34. So it's definitely gone up a bit. But it says it can take 1800 watts, and of course there's no air cooling it down. So it's warmer towards the back of the motor. For the wires, 29, 34 on the casing. Right. So I think that's probably the only one I'll test on 5-cell. Could probably go down a bit, like a 4.75 by 4.75, but that's crazy. Right. So I think I might try a 6-cell, but obviously I'm going to be propping down a bit. Alright. Okay, I've propped down quite a bit to a 4.5 by 4.5 TGS prop. You can see what that's like first, and then maybe try a 4.75 by 4.75. What we've got, again, it's a 2650 milliamp zippy, but it's 40C, and this is a 6-cell. So this could be scary. Blast shield's on. Let's hope nothing goes wrong here. Oh my God. Oh my word. 2.1 kilograms of thrust with a 4.5-inch prop. Ooh, that's quite a bit over though. Oh my God, that's funny. 130 amps, 2338 watts. Oh my word. That is funny. So no, I won't be propping up. Oh my God. Yeah, it did get warm there. So maybe maybe not run it on 6-cell, because you're on a tiny little prop there, and it's any smaller it wouldn't be worth doing. So yeah, I think yeah, I wouldn't run that on anything more than 5-cell, because the size of the prop is tiny, and you can see, yeah, even if I've got that in a pylon racer, the width of the fuselage, there's going to be hardly any prop hanging out. So I think 5 cells probably as good as you're going to get. But yeah, that's pretty good. Right, so you can see there, that is the GoolRC 4-pole in-runner, 2650 kV, and it's 3674. GoolRC. I know in my 3800 kV I did say CoolRC by mistake, but yes, it's a GoolRC. I don't know why I said that. Right, so that was the end of this motor test of the week. If you like this video, give it a like, and I'll be back again next week with more test videos. And if you haven't seen this before, subscribe, because I'll be doing one of these videos every week. See you then. Bye bye.